Hello Morningstar folks, this is Rob Zabersky and you're watching this video because I am not Tom Weber. I have the relationship with Morningstar and the memory training and speed reading has been handed off to me and Freedom Personal Development. The good news as it pertains to you, you're going to experience no difference. It's actually going to be a ton easier for you to take advantage of these amazing training programs that we've been bringing to Morningstar for the last couple of years. So this video, I want to let you know that our next memory training workshop is going to be happening on May 28th. I'm going to be coming to the office. It's going to be a little bit different this time. We're going to be doing one 4-hour afternoon session. So we're going to be going from 1 to 5 in the afternoon. Great news is I've been facilitating this format of the memory training workshop for about the last 4 or 5 years with one of my bigger international clients, and we're seeing that folks are getting as much, if not more, out of the workshop in the one 4-hour session than they were when they were going through the 2 half days. So if you haven't already, you gotta get yourself signed up for this thing. What we're gonna be doing is over the course of that afternoon, we are gonna teach you a bunch of different methodologies that are designed to help you use your brain the way it's designed to be brain, to be able to recall more information rapidly, right away, instant recall memory. So the big things we're going to talk about are remembering numbers and conversation details and lists and becoming a more effective public speaker. And then obviously the biggest chunk of our time together is going to be spent talking about how to remember names. If you've ever been the person that met someone for the very first time, got their name, shook their hand, and then as soon as the name or the handshake broke, the name vanished, we're going to help you understand how and why that happens. Most importantly, you're going to walk out of there with a skill set to make sure that never happens again. So yeah, I've had the privilege of teaching this workshop to literally tens of thousands of folks over the last 10 years. I'm really looking forward to coming in and sharing this with you. So listen, links on how to register online. We're gonna automate a ton of the stuff, like I said, to make it a lot easier. It's all gonna live in the pond, but links for everything is gonna be down in the description of the video below. Also, if anyone has questions or feels like connecting, all my contact information is going to be at the end of this video. Otherwise, I am really looking forward to guiding you all through the memory training workshop on May 28th. Make it a great rest of your day.